I'd like to rent a car for several weeks.
Do you have a reservation?
No, I don't.
All right, I'll see what we have available. Would you like a subcompact, compact, midsize, or luxury car?
I don't need much room, just good fuel economy and safety. What do you recommend?
I have a Chevrolet Caprice ready. Would that be all right?
Fine. How much does it cost?
Well, if you're renting for a week or more, I would recommend our unlimited mileage plan.
How does it work?
You pay a flat rate for the week and you can drive as much as you want. You can also drop off the car at any of our agencies nationwide. You'll start off with a full tank of gas. Try to fill it up just before you drop off the car because we charge more than a regular gas station.
Okay, I'll take it. Where do I sign?